Understanding the impact of coffee on urinary incontinence and BPH. Urinary incontinence and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, are common health concerns, particularly among aging populations. Understanding how certain lifestyle factors, such as coffee consumption, can affect these conditions is crucial for managing symptoms and improving overall quality of life. Estrogen dominance and prostate enlargement. One contributing factor to prostate enlargement, often associated with BPH, is estrogen dominance. While estrogen is typically associated with female reproductive health, it also plays a role in male physiology. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, is balanced with estrogen in both men and women. However, as men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, while estrogen levels may increase, leading to an imbalance known as estrogen dominance. Estrogen dominance is a natural process that cannot be entirely prevented. However, certain lifestyle choices and interventions may help mitigate its effects and slow the progression of prostate enlargement. Understanding hormonal balance. In males, testosterone typically constitutes about 95% of the total sex hormones, while estrogen accounts for only a small percentage, around 5 to 10%. Conversely, in females, estrogen, particularly estradiol, is the primary sex hormone, comprising approximately 80 to 90% of total sex hormones. The natural aging process can disrupt this hormonal balance, leading to an increase in estrogen relative to testosterone in men. This imbalance contributes to various physiological changes, including prostate enlargement, which commonly occurs in men aged 40 to 50 and beyond. The role of coffee in urinary incontinence. Coffee, a widely consumed beverage, has been implicated in exacerbating urinary incontinence symptoms. Research suggests that coffee acts as a diuretic, stimulating urine production by the kidneys. Additionally, the caffeine content in coffee can irritate the bladder, leading to increased bladder activity and urinary urgency. The detrusor muscle, responsible for bladder contraction during urination, may become overactive in response to coffee consumption. This muscle, distinct from the pelvic floor muscles, contracts to expel urine from the bladder. However, overactivity of the detrusor muscle can contribute to urinary incontinence, particularly in individuals with weakened bladder control. Managing coffee consumption. While coffee is a beloved beverage for many, moderation is key, especially for individuals experiencing urinary incontinence or prostate enlargement symptoms. Controlling the timing and type of coffee consumed can help mitigate its effects on bladder function. Opting for caffeine-free organic coffee and limiting consumption to specific times of the day may reduce bladder irritation and urinary urgency. Additionally, individuals with prostate enlargement may benefit from avoiding caffeine altogether, as it can exacerbate symptoms and contribute to bladder dysfunction. Addressing prostate enlargement and BPH symptoms. For individuals with BPH, managing caffeine intake is just one aspect of symptom management. Lifestyle modifications, including regular exercise, maintaining a healthy diet, and ensuring adequate hydration, can help alleviate symptoms and improve overall prostate health. Furthermore, supplementing with zinc, a crucial mineral for prostate function, may help reduce inflammation and alleviate urinary symptoms associated with BPH. Consultation with a healthcare provider is essential for developing a comprehensive treatment plan tailored to individual needs and medical history. Conclusion. Coffee consumption can have significant implications for urinary health, particularly for individuals experiencing urinary incontinence or prostate enlargement symptoms. Understanding the relationship between caffeine, bladder function, and hormonal balance is essential for managing these conditions effectively. By making informed choices about coffee consumption and adopting a holistic approach to prostate health, individuals can minimize symptoms, improve quality of life, and maintain optimal urinary function as they age. Consultation with healthcare professionals can provide personalized guidance and support for managing urinary incontinence and BPH effectively. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.